Plant profile, cherry trees. Every garden needs at least one stunning specimen tree, and nothing fills that qualification as well as an ornamental cherry tree. Flowering cherry trees are hardy to zone 8. They want 3 hours of full sun between the hours of 11 and 5. In other words, afternoon, not morning sun. They do fine in our clay soil, as long as it is amended with compost annually to lighten its structure. The flowering cherries are heavy feeders, so fertilize them regularly during the growing season with a product high in nitrogen. Do not overwater them. Once established, the ornamental cherry is a fairly drought-tolerant plant. They are a member of the rose family, so can be impacted by the Japanese beetle. Also, watch out for bagworms and tent caterpillars. Remove them promptly if you see them. Prune your trees to remove crossing or diseased branches and to allow free circulation of air. The best time to prune an ornamental cherry is between January and early March. Kwanzaa and Yoshino cherry trees account for the majority of flowering cherries in our region. The Kwanzaa cherry has double pink flowers in such abundance that it gives the tree a cloud-like appearance. At maturity, it will be wider than it is tall. The Yoshino cherry is an upright tree with delicate single white or pale pink blossoms. The Okame cherry is another popular variety. It is one of the first cherry trees to bloom and does so in carmine pink hues. In my own garden is the weeping Hygiene cherry. It is one of the last cherries to bloom, and the wait is worth it. The soft pink flowers hang down like multiple little parasols. I love the way they flutter in the wind. Finally, you don't want to miss the seasonal display of cherry trees and mass plantings. See our list of 17 top viewing spots in the Washington, D.C. region on our blog at washingtongardener.blogspot.com. Cherry trees, you can grow that.